a military operation, what if the Iskander and Tornado-S systems work together? In this episode, we'll be taken through the path of precision strikes carried out by two of Russia's top weapons, the Iskander ballistic missile system and the Tornado-S multiple rocket launcher. Each possesses its own destructive power, but what happens when both are used simultaneously on the battlefield? The answer is not only terrifying, but also strategic. We begin in the Kursk region. A Telegram account shared footage showing the moment the Tornado-S fired shot after shot into the air. The missiles streaked across the sky, followed by powerful explosions and thick plumes of black smoke rising into the sky. Their target this time was a Ukrainian UAV control station. Imagine, just as Ukrainian operators were busy controlling drones and monitoring troop movements in real time, their entire control system was suddenly wiped out by a massive explosion. Russia clearly understands that UAVs are not just a minor threat. With their agility, drones can pose a serious challenge on the battlefield, especially in large numbers. So, instead of chasing UAVs one by one, Russia chose to strike at the head, destroying the control center. The result? Ukraine lost access to sensor data, two-way communications, and even flight control at a critical moment in their mission. Then we moved our focus to the Sumy region, where the deadly collaboration between the Iskander and Tornado-S systems was clearly demonstrated. In the village of Korovintsy, these two weapon systems were used to strike the command post of Ukraine's 47th Brigade. Within minutes, the post was reduced to rubble and dust. According to objective control data, the strike caused significant losses for the Ukrainian side, including military equipment. What's interesting about this attack is not only its power, but also its precision. Analyzed footage shows that Russian intelligence conducted extensive reconnaissance before executing the strike. They studied the target location from multiple angles. The command post, communication center, and personnel positions were all analyzed in detail before the coordinates were sent to the launch crews. This is what made the strike almost flawless. And if you look closely, this strategy is not just about brute force, but also combat intelligence. It's hard not to acknowledge its accuracy, isn't it? In the Krasnolimansky area, Russian forces have previously launched a major strike on Ukrainian positions using the Tornado-S multiple launch rocket system. This modern artillery system is designed not only to hit targets over a wide area, but also has the capability to strike individual targets with high accuracy. The Tornado-S offers a significant advantage because of the integration of the latest guided missiles, which can reach up to 120 kilometers. With an inertial navigation system and advanced individual flight programming, the accuracy of this system has increased dramatically, by 15 to 20 times compared to its predecessor, the Smerch. The Tornado-S, a 300mm rocket launcher, represents a major shift in how Russia projects long-range firepower. It excels not only in range and precision, but also in payload capacity. This weapon combines speed, massive destructive power, and the ability to strike multiple targets simultaneously in a coordinated pattern. Recently, a black and white recording surfaced, showing the renewed use of the Tornado-S in the Chernihiv region. This time, the target was Ukrainian artillery positions, which were directly hit by the rocket system. A similar strike was reported in Drushkivka, where the Tornado-S was used to drop cluster bombs on Ukrainian troop positions, a form of military punishment that carries both a show of force and an element of intimidation. Russia has not stopped there. It continues to demonstrate its strategic power through the launch of Iskander missiles. In Slovyansk, an Iskander missile reportedly struck a station used by Ukraine to transport ammunition. This ballistic missile is known to be deadly and has been a mainstay in Russia's series of precision strikes over the past several years. Even more concerning for Ukraine and its allies are reports that Russia is now ramping up production of the latest variant of the Iskander system, known as the Iskander-M, which boasts an extended range of up to 1,000 kilometers, double that of the previous version. This new variant is equipped with advanced guidance systems, a modern satellite network, and high maneuverability. Its exceptional speed and radar evading capabilities make the latest version of the Iskander-M a stealth weapon that cannot be underestimated. The Pentagon is reportedly treating this missile as a serious threat, particularly due to its potential nuclear capability. Will NATO remain silent? In response to the threat, the defense site Warrior Maven revealed that the United States possesses weapons believed to be capable of countering some of the destructive capabilities of the Iskander-1000. This weapon is the Precision Strike Missile, a new generation missile developed with high speed, advanced maneuvering capabilities, and a dual launch system that allows 2 missiles to be fired simultaneously. With a minimum firing range of 500 kilometers and the potential for even greater distances, the Precision Strike Missile has become an important component of the U.S. medium-range defense strategy. The combination of range technology, precision guidance capabilities, and launch flexibility makes these weapons a highly credible deterrent against aggressive actions from Russia. However, there are still gaps that need to be addressed. Although Typhon is an integrated and advanced system, it has not been equipped with hypersonic speed technology like the Iskander-1000. In other words, the speed and extreme maneuverability that are the hallmarks of the Russian missile still cannot be fully matched by current U.S. weapons. This imbalance has triggered a new technological race in the field of medium-range defense systems and hypersonic missiles. The United States seems to be in a phase of technological transition, striving to catch up with the dominance Russia has maintained through the development of advanced and highly mobile weapon systems. This competition shows that the future of modern warfare will not only be determined by explosive power, but also by speed, guidance intelligence, and launch flexibility on the ever-changing battlefield. So, will the US be able to catch up with the weapons possessed by Russia? Leave your thoughts, and thanks for watching.